Good morning. Do you want to go shopping with me and Malia at ZGallerie? I hope so. Happy Saturday morning. Although this film was filmed on Friday evening, I am posting it this Saturday morning so that we can have a first look at ZGallerie's wonderful things. I absolutely love this store. It is like heaven on earth for me. All of the beautiful items, the glam, the gleam, the shiny things, oh my gosh, it's just luxurious at best. I absolutely love it. I like to come in here and daydream from time to time. And today I am daydreaming of all of these lovely things that I wish I could have. And I am going to share with you what ZGallerie has. So if you would like to see, continue to watch. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified of all new uploads. Enjoy the video, you guys, and have a wonderful weekend. OMG, you guys, this sofa here, this is what I want. It is about $5,000, so your girl won't be getting it today or tomorrow or next month, but maybe in the future. I absolutely love it. It is so gorgeous. I love that it's that soft leather. You know, I got those kids. Absolutely love it. And look at these wonderful pillars here. And that blue is giving me life. You guys, I love this chair. I think it would look so amazing at my vanity or even at my office desk if I was to paint it white, of course. But did you see that price tag? But anyway, this chair is gorgeous. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Is that Hannah? Do y'all see? I absolutely love mirrors. I would take one of each, please. At ZGallerie, you know, guys, you can always find beautiful, unique wall art that definitely would make a statement in your home or office. So definitely check ZGallerie out if you're looking for such a piece. Here they have some lovely ones right here. This bar cart was 70% off and it was like $90, you guys. I almost walked out of the store with this piece because it was priced right, well worth it. It was originally $300 as you saw, but I had the little one with me. That's the excuse I'm going to use, so yeah, we're going to roll with that. And this wall art right here is everything. I love this piece right here. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Here is one of Malia's favorite pieces right here. She absolutely loved this picture here. She asked me a ton of questions about it, as well as the other horse pictures. I think she's going to be a horse lover. I love this rustic style table here. This is kind of what I have been looking for my dining room, because I do want to do a new dining room table set upgrade, and this is perfect. It's the right color table that I want, the right color white cushiony chairs that I want. Ah, daydreaming. Y'all, they had so many gorgeous tablescapes in ZGallerie today. I just had to try to get a shot of each of them. I might have missed one or two, but the majority of them will be showcased here in this tour. And this table is massive. Oh my gosh. Isn't it gorgeous, you guys? That chandelier takes my breath away, you guys. It is exquisite. I would love to have that. Here is another beautiful and unique light fixture. Also a great place to get them is ZGallerie. Look at that girl laying on that couch in here trying to embarrass me. Get up, girl. Get up. Look at Leah. She was jamming to the music and hiding behind me, but she didn't know I was recording her. Y'all should have seen her when she was on full dance mode. I mean, she was cutting the rug up. ZGallerie just has so many gorgeous pieces, so many different textures and color schemes and elements. I absolutely love this place. It is paradise, just paradise. Do anyone else like to come into ZGallerie and daydream and just look around and be amongst all of the gorgeous items? I mean, surely I can't be the only one. If you like to go to ZGallerie and daydream too, sound off down in the comment section below and let your girl know you're not alone. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. There's about another minute left of it. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Thumbs this video up if you would like to see more shop with me's in high-end places. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed weekend. Until next time, you guys, bye-bye.